Lust isn't just about what you watch, it's about how you think. You've trained your brain to crave cheap pleasure, and now it owns you. Let's fix that. Stop chasing the almosts. You don't fall to lust from one bad choice, you fall from 1,000 tiny ones. With every scroll through thirst traps, every harmless glance, every late night click, you train your brain to crave easy micro hits of dopamine. You're building the habit of losing control. So stop flirting with your weakness. Cut the sources. If it's out of sight, it's out of craving. Replace stimulation with creation. Lust thrives in the absence of purpose. When you're bored, your brain looks for the fastest reward. That same energy that drives your urges and fuels your lust is also creative fuel. So instead of opening that website, write, draw, train, turn lust into motion. The more you create, the less you crave. Fix your environment, not your willpower. Your willpower isn't broken, your setup is. Change the setup. Keep your phone out of reach. Don't test your discipline every night. Design your surroundings to protect it. Learn to sit with the urge. When it hits, don't run. Watch it. The urge peaks and fades in 10 minutes. Stop reacting and just watch it die. Remember, a man who conquers his lust can conquer anything.